short story for kids. Honesty is the best policy. Hey, Lela. I've been thinking a lot about honesty. What does honesty mean?
Well, John, being honest means telling the truth and being open without tricking or hiding things.
Why is it the best?
Honesty is like building trust. When you're honest, people can believe what you say and do. Trust is super important in friendships and at work.
But what if telling the truth might hurt someone's feelings?
That's the tricky part. Sometimes you need to be kind when saying the truth, but honesty is still important. It helps people trust you in the long run.
Is honesty really that special?
Oh, yes. Even if you don't see it right away, being honest makes people want to be friends with you, help you, and think highly of you. It's like having a good reputation.
What if being honest might get me in trouble?
It can be tough, but in the end, being honest is better. People like it when you're true to yourself, and it helps you feel good inside.
What about those little lies to make someone feel better?
It's a bit tricky, but you can be kind without lying. Honest feedback is helpful, and it's important to find the right balance.
So, honesty is not just saying the truth.
Exactly. It's about being careful with feelings while still telling what's true. It's like a superpower called empathy and tact.
Is honesty important in businesses too?
Surprisingly, yes. Businesses do better when they're honest. People trust them more, and it creates a happy place to work.
Honesty as a business strategy?
Yes, indeed. It's not just a plan. It's a big rule. Being honest helps businesses and people succeed in the long run.
I thought honesty was just a good thing to do.
It's both, John. Doing the right thing and being practical go together. Honesty makes life better, at home and at work.
You've made me think, Lela. I'll be more honest from now on.
That's great, John. Honesty isn't just a rule. It's a way to have a happy and successful journey. In conclusion, John, embracing honesty not only builds trust and respect, but also lays the foundation for enduring relationships and success. It's a compass guiding us through dilemmas, fostering a culture of openness and sincerity. So, let honesty be your guiding light in every aspect of life.
And hey, if you enjoyed our conversation about honesty, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share on my YouTube channel for more insightful discussions. Goodbye.